Digitalization tells many stories. For us at Sybit, they are very personal because they always begin with people looking for answers to complex questions, to changes, to challenges. It's the same in customer experience. A successful customer relationship is based on the right answers at every touch point, at every stage of the customer journey. But how do we find them? Not through technology. The key is the interplay of understanding and trust between you and us, between you and your customers, between those who use and consume digital technologies. At Sybit, we create the space to foster these powerful reciprocal relationships. We call it resonance, the foundation of the most successful digital strategies, the harmony of processes, people, and applications. No matter what phase of digital transformation you are in, we are the partner who creates resonance, who finds answers for even more successful customer relationships.